What I'm going to show you how to do is how to pick stocks that are rising in value, how to stay in those stocks while they're rising in value, and how to get out if they start to fall. You should never hold on to a position that's causing you to lose money. That's mistake number one. Another mistake that many new investors make is they overtrade. They want to be in the market all of the time because they feel like they're going to miss out on an opportunity if they don't have their money constantly invested. Well, it turns out that you want to keep your money on the side until you've found an opportunity that makes sense to risk your capital. So if your money is constantly always invested, you're probably making a mistake. Most likely you're doing something wrong. Another challenge that many beginning traders face is that they want to trade off of tips. They're always looking for someone else to give them advice. I'm going to give you the tools where you will be able to go into the market, find stocks that fit a certain criteria, trade those stocks based on that criteria. You're no longer going to need to subscribe to newsletters or tip sheets or pay attention to the financial news network. In fact, all of those things will probably be detrimental in your trading. You're going to have to develop patience. One of the things that we do that makes us most successful in this market is we sit on our hands a lot. And when the opportunity is right, you place your trade and you let the market determine what's going to happen next.